All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about my top 5 new tools of 2018. All right, so top tools of 2018. Now these are just new tools I've gotten this year. Doesn't have to be a brand new tool, just new tools to me. So should be an interesting list. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. All right, so in no particular order, but number 5, this OTC test light. I know, test light. Part number on it is 3639. Standard 12 volt incandescent test light with a coiled wire. Why I like it? Because of that part. The long pokey thing. Really like the ability to just go in and real quickly check things. In case you can't tell, I like my test lights. And I really like this one. And just an FYI, yeah, I paid for this. It's not that expensive, but yes, I paid for it. All right, next tool. Well, you should be able to see it right there. That's right. My Autel MS908SP. Really happy I acquired this tool this year. And yes, I'm filming this in 2018, even though it'll go live in 2019. But I'm really happy I bought this tool. This is my go-to scan tool for day-to-day, day in, day out. Yes, I still use the Snap-on. Yes, I still use the OTC. But this is what I grab for first. Usually the reason I don't use this one is the dongle's up in the air in a car, like it is right now actually. But this is my go-to tool. All right, number 3. And I'm cheating a little bit on this one, but you knew it was gonna happen. You can see it coming. The new fuel ratchets. I love these ratchets. Now, I get asked a lot of questions about, do you prefer the 3/8 over the 1/4 inch? And honestly, for the work I do, the 1/4 inch is what I grab for the most. Doing, coil removal, intake removal, stuff like that, I tend to use the 1/4 inch. Doing brakes, I tend to grab the 3/8. These get used constantly. These are constantly in my cart. They're constantly getting used. All right, number 4. Big surprise, Milwaukee Stubbies. I love these. They are constantly in use. The 3/8 and the 1/2 inch and the 1/4 inch are just used all the time. I mean, all the time. Right over there is a brake job. The only thing, the 1/2 inch would not break loose the caliper bolts. But I almost busted a gut breaking them loose by hand. So I can't fault that. But I mean, I even took the wheels off with this gun. When I'm doing a brake job, these 2 guns are normally what I grab. I will put the socket for the caliper itself on this gun and the caliper brackets on this gun, and basically never switch socket. I will use this gun to take the caliper off, this gun to take the caliper bracket off, and then reverse, and I'm done. I mean, that's what I do. Really love these tools. In constant use. So what's number 5? All right, so number 5, what could that possibly be? This is a tool I've wanted for a very long time, and I always put it off because I had a Snap-on scope. I'm like, oh, Snap-on's good, it's fine. But I really like that Pico software. I really do like that Pico software. Well, you know what? That's my number 5. My number 5 is the Pico 4425 automotive diagnostic kit. From AES Wave, not a sponsor. This has been awesome. I really enjoy using the software. I really enjoy the waveforms, the ability to manipulate them, and the built-in battery test that's in this tool is now my go-to battery starting charging system test. That's what I use every time. I no longer grab Bam Bam Snap-on. I no longer grab the shop's Interstate Midtronics. I grab the Pico. Quick and easy. It's in my diagnostic cart, so all I got to do is hook up the leads, hook up the high amp clamp, and run my test. So this is definitely something I'm very thankful I invested in. So hope you liked this video. If you did, if you like my top 5 tools, let me know in the comments. You don't like my top 5 tools? Give me a thumbs down. Comments, let me know what your top 5 tools are. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.